Risk analytics is undergoing a huge transformation as AI moves organizations from static, backward looking assessments to dynamic, predictive, and continuous monitoring. Traditional risk processes relied heavily on manual audits, point in time reviews, spreadsheets, and human judgment. While valuable, these methods often miss fast moving risks or subtle patterns buried in large volumes of data. AI changes that completely. Machine learning systems analyze millions of transactions, operational signals, and external data sources to detect weak signals, early indicators of fraud, liquidity challenges, operational breakdowns, compliance gaps, or market exposure. Instead of waiting for issues to surface, AI identifies them in advance, giving leaders the opportunity to intervene early. This shift dramatically enhances resilience, speeds up response times, and reduces the frequency and severity of financial shocks. Intelligent risk analytics is no longer a luxury, it's becoming the foundation of modern enterprise risk management. Predictive risk modeling uses machine learning to foresee issues before they materialize. ML models study historical data, failed transactions, fraud attempts, operational breakdowns, near misses, compliance violations, and learn the complex patterns associated with these risk events. Once trained, the model scans new data continuously to detect similar signals. This includes unusual spending patterns, abnormal cash flow movements, deviations in KPIs, or unexpected changes in customer or supplier behavior. Unlike traditional rule based systems, ML can capture nonlinear relationships and hidden drivers of risk that humans may never detect. It also improves over time because every new event makes the model smarter. This allows finance and risk teams to act proactively rather than reactively, strengthening the organization's stability and reducing exposure. Fraud detection is one of the highest ROI applications of intelligent risk analytics. AI can analyze thousands of transactions per second, detecting suspicious behavior that rule based systems often overlook. Instead of checking for predefined violations, ML models look for anomalies, patterns that deviate from normal behavior. This includes unusual vendor payments, duplicate invoices, inflated pricing, employee expense fraud, or customer transaction manipulation. AI significantly reduces false positives because it classifies risk based on context and probability, not just simple thresholds. It also continuously monitors behavior over time, identifying subtle shifts that indicate elevated fraud risk. By catching problems early, organizations save significant financial losses, avoid reputational fallout, and strengthen trust with regulators, investors, and stakeholders. Fraud prevention becomes proactive, not reactive. AI is redefining compliance by moving organizations from periodic manual reviews to continuous automated monitoring. Instead of relying on quarterly audits or manual sampling, AI scans transactions, documentation, communications, and system logs in real time to ensure regulatory adherence. This means potential violations, whether financial reporting errors, improper access, AML concerns, or policy deviations, are flagged immediately, long before an external audit occurs. Modern compliance teams also benefit from explainable AI, which breaks down why a violation was flagged, making documentation and justification much easier for regulators. AI supports major frameworks, including SEC, FINRA, SOX, GDPR, AML protocols, and internal governance rules. This dramatically reduces compliance risk, strengthens audit readiness, and builds a culture of consistent, data driven control across the organization. Intelligent risk analytics enables organizations to shift from a reactive mindset, solving problems after they occur, to a proactive, prevention based culture. With AI providing continuous insights, teams across finance, operations, HR, procurement, and IT gain real time visibility into emerging risks. Instead of working in silos, risk signals are integrated into unified dashboards that give leadership a holistic view of exposure across the business. Decisions are no longer based on instinct, but supported by risk probabilities, early warning indicators, and predictive insights. This helps leaders allocate resources more effectively, mitigate threats before they escalate, and build operational resilience. Ultimately, AI strengthens the organization's ability to navigate uncertainty, respond quickly to disruption, and maintain long term financial stability.